Hello everyone, just letting you know I'm Jenny from Crazy Crafts. I am a real person and I'm going to unpack the container, well the pallet that came this morning, show you all what's on it. So here we go. As you can see, I'm a little stretched for room. This is my garage, but it's actually where I hold my Harry Potter escape room. And you can see these guys here. And things like this hanging around. When I pushed the tray down, I pushed it a bit far and nearly knocked the whole gazebo frame over. Might be easier to do this. I am going to right now. As I'm sure you're all aware, anything that comes out of China, no identification, no instructions, so I have no idea what's in any of these boxes until I actually open them, unless they've got decorated pictures on the front. Okay. First item off, it's an Easter SpongeBob SquarePants. It's not actually sold. If anybody wants it, let me know. Okay, let's see if we can get in here. Oh my goodness. There will be paperwork. I did pull some of it off before I set out from the depot. Not enough room. I can't stand. Can you stand on this? Nope. Alright. two coming off is the Mickey battery lights. They are sold. So I'll put them down here. That I can get this other box down just yet. There we go. Wow, that's quite heavy. This is a blue nutcracker with an axe. That is also sold. I'm pretty sure there are two of them, but where? Who knows? Alright. As we can see on the top, 3 of about, I don't know, 12 maybe Yodas that were in the shipment. Not all pre-sold, but some are, so if you're still after one, they are 600, beware. It comes with a Christmas hat and a Halloween witch hat and a sign for both, and he does talk. So got some of those. All right. I'm going to say I don't think Home Depot really got the best packing department. They do have a really bad reputation for deliveries in America. Some people might have seen these at Bunnings. They're $25 as they were at Bunnings. They are battery operated with a timer. Bunnings only had red, green and blue, so I have yellow and white. I have 10 of each, but 1 of each of mine. Put those to the side. There's 2 more in that box. All right. Okay, this one is a SpongeBob bunny, also not yet sold. I don't have the prices for everything on the top of my head, but some of these will go into my display if I don't sell them, which is fine. I'll leave them on the trailer. This is the Halloween SpongeBob, which all these SpongeBob things are not pre-sold. I ordered a handful of things on the off chance they would sell. Packing! I love packing. Always need more. shepherd's hooks. Top part looks like that, so you can hang things off them. These ones, yep, probably mine. I could get a few to hang some of my skeletons in various places around the yard. They are, I think, just tall enough for the skeletons, but I did get another one that was like 84 inches, so up here somewhere. Because I'm extremely stretched for room, we have to flat pack the boxes as we go. Oh, interesting, what's these ones? Good question. You can see it as I do. Not live, obviously, but oh, gingerbread couple. They are lit. There's a upside down like this one. Christmas hats on them. A boy gingerbread and a girl gingerbread. I'm not sure what power they require. I can convert anything that wants 120 into 240, so if you want that done, just let me know. These are mine if I don't run out of money. However, there are two, so if somebody wants one of those, let me know. Excitement here, what have we got? This is a 36 inch red reef bag. I think I am going to use this for something of mine. But if anybody wants it, I did pack up some other things for that purpose. So alright, next, minions. Alright, this is the 2 minions on a sled. They light up. These are quite expensive, so have one lot. Oh, stay. Paperwork on that. I'll get it. So I did order 10 of those jumbo white and red yellow leads. That's 10 white. Or no, they're an 8-pack. That's why there was 2 in that box. So 8 white and 8 yellow. This is heavy. Looks like it's upside down. More. Shepherd's hooks. only do they come with the top, but they come with the bottom that goes into your ground. I'm sure the light's reflecting poorly off that. Oh, come on. 4 tops, 8 extenders and 4 base pieces, so you can make them a variety of different heights. Doesn't tell me offhand which height this one is. A few of these, so if anybody wants 1 or 2, or there are 4 in a box, let me know. I may be prepared to part with some of them until next time. And I'm looking at the trailer now thinking there are 2 boxes left and they look to be the Mrs. Claus. Some of you noted were on shipment. And free wood, yay! I love free wood. See what I mean? Can't move. Put the trailer back out on the nature strip will be good. Terrific. Model number, quantity shipped 1. Who knows what it is? But it does say Fraser Hill Farm and a picture of Mrs. Claus there, so that looks like what it is that we've got for this pallet. Hopefully the other pallets will be here very soon. I have expressed my displeasure to both Home Depot and Mainfreight about the fact that this all got shipped separately. Apologies for the fact that I'm sweating like a pig because it's quite hot here today and inside the garage. So that's it for now, and I will ship or allow pickups for whatever anybody has that's on this pallet at your leisure from now until whenever, or if you want to wait until your whole order's together, especially the interstate people, because freight works out cheaper if it all goes together. So this is how we're at. So until next time, that's what we've got, people. Thank you.